Okay, so in coordinate geometry we will be discussing about equation of straight line. So first of all, let us discuss about the equation of straight line in standard form. These three equations are the equation of straight line in standard form, and these two are the equations only. So first of all, let's go with these three equations. The first one is equation of straight line in slope intercept form. So in graph, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now this equation slope intercept form means suppose the straight line passes like this. So it has its slope m. Let the slope of this line is m. Over the thing may be happen like the inclination of this line may be given. Right? You like to inclination given also. At that time we can find the slope of the line by using the formula m equals to tan theta. Okay, and this line cuts y-axis at point 0, c. So y-intercept is c. Y-intercept is c and slope is m. So the equation of this line, this straight line, in slope intercept form is y equals to mx plus c. So y equals to mx plus c is one of the equation of straight line in standard form. Next one is equation of straight line in double intercept form. So how many intercepts are here now? Two. That's why it's double. So in graph, let us see x-axis, y-axis. Let this line cut x-axis and y-axis at 2 points. At x-axis is caught at this line caught x-axis at a, 0 and y-axis at 0, b. So the x-intercept will be a units and y-intercept will be b units. So equation of this straight line is in double intercept form. X-intercept is a, x-intercept is a and y-intercept is b. So x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1 is the equation of straight line in double intercept form. Okay. Next one is equation of straight line in perpendicular or normal. Meaning it's same. So it's x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to p, and p and alpha they have got their own meaning. So before that, let me draw a figure in graph and make you understand, right? So let me draw the graph here. It's x-axis and it's y-axis. Okay. So the straight line is this one. So this equation has the equation of this straight line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to p. So p will be the perpendicular length from this origin. This is origin 0, 0 on this line. So p is the perpendicular length from origin to this line. Okay, and alpha is the angle made by this p with positive x-axis. So x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to p is the equation of straight line in perpendicular or normal form, where p is the length of perpendicular from origin to the line and alpha is the angle made by that perpendicular with the positive x-axis. So these three are the equations of straight line in standard form. So now here is the equation of straight line passing to the point x on y1 and having slope m. So now we need to find the equation of a line that passes through x1, y1. x1, y1. This line passes like this, and the slope of this line is m. So in this case, the equation will be y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1, and this formula is also called 1 point formula. This formula is also called 1 point formula because there is only 1 point, isn't it? The line passes through only 1 point, and this formula can be derived from this one. That's why this is not the standard one. Right? We can derive this formula from y equals to mx plus c. So this is the equation of straight line passing through a point and slope. So when point and slope is given, we can use this formula. Now equation of straight line passing through 2 points, like this is x1, y1. Okay, and this point is x2, y2. These are the 2 points. Now the equation of line passing through these 2 points is given as y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x minus x1. So this formula is also called 2 point formula. Why 2 point formula? Yeah, it passes from 2 points, that's why it is called 2 point formula. And does it have any similarity, these two formula? Can you find any similarity? What is that? and slope of a line passing through 2 points is given by this formula, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, right? So literally these two have same meaning, but here 2 points are given and here slope and point is given. So we can calculate slope and use any one point to get the equation of this line also. But simply we can use this formula to find the equation. Any confusion? No. So now distance between two parallel lines. Two parallel lines. Lines are said to be parallel with each other if their x and y coefficient are same. If their x coefficient and y coefficient are same. So constant are different in parallel lines. Okay. So if the parallel lines are in this form, then distance means perpendicular distance. The shortest distance between the parallel lines is the perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance. So it can be calculated by using formula absolute value of c1 minus c2 over under root a square plus b square. Using this formula we can find the distance between these two parallel lines. Now length of perpendicular. Let the point p x1, y1 be any point and equation of line is ax plus by plus c equals to z. It's a linear equation. So if we draw a perpendicular from the point P on the line, this line, suppose L, then this L is calculated by using this formula. Absolute value of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under a square plus b square. Alright?
Yeah.
And now area of triangle. We can find area of triangle by using different formula of isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, right angle triangle, scalene triangle, but we can also find the area of triangle when their vertices are given. Suppose the vertices of this triangle PQ are at A, B, Q, C, D and R, E, F. So the area of triangle PQR is given as area equals to 1 upon 2 absolute value of. Now writing the coordinates of P first. A and B are the coordinates of P, C and D are the coordinates of Q, and E and F are the coordinates of R. So repeating the first one. So whenever you go downwards, use positive sign. Whenever you go upward, use negative sign. So altogether here are 3 groups. See, 1, 2, 3 groups. So make an arrow so that it will be easy for you. No need to make arrows. And if you are habituated afterwards. So here, whenever you go down, it's positive. So AD minus BC. It's one group. And second group?
EB minus
C of minus DE. And next one is EB minus EF. So now simplifying this, we can get the area of triangle. So the aim of using this absolute value is that area is never negative. Length is never negative. That's why we are using absolute value. Any confusion?
No.
Okay. Then, thank you.
Fire?